Hello everyone. So in continuing with our transfer sales order tutorial, I've got my transfer order that I've saved. Once you save one, it actually appears in the sales order centers, just like the other sales orders, except it's got a slightly different name here that you can see, and obviously it doesn't have a customer associated with it. So I'm going to open this transfer sales order. Now it's very important that whatever changes need to be made to this order. So if you want to add or remove SKUs, it's best to do that now because once a transfer sales order or purchase order, transfer purchase order that is, once it's in the release stage, you cannot make any changes to the SKUs. Basically, at that stage, the SKUs have already been created. In that case, it's probably better just to close off the transfer orders and recreate them again. So once I've actually finalized all the goods that I need to transfer, what I can do is click on options, release. And what's this going to do? It's actually going to create a corresponding transfer purchase order with the Anaheim store because I'm transferring to the Anaheim store. It's going to mention that here as well. So likewise, if I were to create a transfer purchase order and release it, it would do the same thing. It would actually create a corresponding transfer sales order as well. So once I click OK, now you can see here the corresponding transfer purchase order that's associated with this transfer sales order. You'll find this in the purchase order center. It's actually been created. So now what you would do is actually you'd waive this transfer sales order, pick it, close it, ship it, and then transfer and then process the e-transfer purchase order. So that would mean creating the ASN on it, receiving it, and then closing it. So once you close it, that's actually going to transfer the goods from your main inventory to your Anaheim inventory.